It's not talked about. It's just not talked about. You know, they have grief counseling, grief therapy, but when it comes to this specific thing, losing your mama, seeing your mama take her last breath, seeing your mama deteriorate, your mama having dementia, this ain't shit these are images that we are not, it can't escape our head. It can't escape our head. I don't give a fuck how much money you make, 100K a year, 60 a year. That shit don't mean nothing. The images that we have in our head is seeing our mama like that. You know what I'm saying? It's no amount of therapy you can go through to get it out of our fucking head. You know what I'm saying? So again, that's why I try to go live and try to have this platform to just talk about it. So yeah, it's images that we are not meant to see as, I don't give a fuck how noble and courageous and strengthful you are to take care of your mama in her last days. It is a price to pay. For those of you who was your mother's caregiver, taking her back and forth to the grocery store, taking her back and forth to chemotherapy, it is a noble thing. But again, it's a price to pay. We talking about it right now.